this word, Sanatana Goswami Pad says, this word in verse 43, line 1, Tabi Sametabhya, proves that Srimati Radharani has not yet arrived in Rasa Mandala. That's why we say, that's why Vishnu Chakravarti says, Srimad Bhagavatam Rasika Bhakta Saha Sangha. Hear the Srimad Bhagavatam and the association of Rasika Bhaktas. And if you don't know, if you can't see any in front of you, then open the commentaries of the Acharyas, like Sanatana Goswami and Jiva and Vishwanath, and then you'll see the Shastras through the eye of the Rasiks, the Rasik Jans. Beautiful. Fantastic. And it's also logical, it makes sense. Because Krishna could never be so harsh to Radharani. Go home, why you came here, Swagatam. Swagatam? Who are you speaking to? Swagatam, go home? I am a gopi, this forest belongs to me. I am Vrindavan Ishri. Who are you talking to, man?